There are 3 ways to import an AutoCAD DWG file into ArchiCAD. Most people only know one. By the end of this video, you will know all 3 and exactly when to use each one. Let's go. The beginner's method. Navigate to File, down to External Content, choose Place External Drawing, then navigate to your laptop and find your DWG and place it. That's it. Fast and simple. But you can't do much with it after. It's good just for referencing a drawing. If you want more control, let's move to method 2, the layout way. This is where it gets powerful. Navigate to File, Interoperability, choose Match, then head on to select your DWG file. Click on Open. You're going to see 2 options. The first option, append paper space to layout book. Click OK. Now go to your layout book. Every single layout from AutoCAD is sitting right there. And here's the best part. You can click directly on the text and edit it. Change names, numbers, titles right there on the layout, ready to print immediately. Do you need a drawing in your model space? Last method. So navigate to File, Interoperability, click on Match, select your file. This time, choose Mesh content of model space into current view. Then click OK. Your drawing lands directly in your ArchiCAD model space. Well, if you want to learn ArchiCAD from scratch, I have a beginner course, link in the description, or WhatsApp me directly on +237 670 398 075. See you.